Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at this Marshalltown Bull Float. So basically what a bull float does is it helps as your concrete's drying, you're able to reach way out over the concrete and you're able to reach out, grab, pull back and smooth the top surface of your concrete. And you really want a good bull float to do that. You also want one with a lot of extension poles. This one by Marshalltown comes with its own holder, and it's Velcroed here, and it has actual double clips where I can clip it for safety so it doesn't come open. It has little tying straps to tie stuff on or tie this down so it doesn't fall out of the back of a truck or a trailer. And you can open it just like that. Now you can see I've still got some concrete on it from the last one that I used. It also comes with an extra strap, and I keep it inside of here so that I can use this strap and strap this thing with the shoulder pad and carry it over my shoulder if I need to. Usually I don't do that, I just carry it with the handles. So you'll take this, and if you notice they're quick connects on the actual unit. You'll take your poles and you simply just slide them together depending on how big of a unit you need. If I'm working a small area and I only need 2 poles, I'll just do 2 poles just like this and lock it in. I can use even just 1 pole if I need to, if it's a very small area that I'm trying to float. But I can hook all the poles together and I can reach a very long way if I'm doing a big concrete slab with this. To take it apart, you're going to push the little 2 pieces back in. If I can get it started here, that's always the fun part. And slide backwards, and they come out. They have a little metal piece that holds everything in there. How they go onto the head is the same way. You're going to take the head, and you are going to, here, I'm going to turn it this way so you can see the knob. So I'm going to take it, push that little knob in, and get it started. And there. So now I'm hooked up. So this is how you will actually float. If I go out and I'm floating, I can actually turn this depending on how I want it to work. If I'm pulling back towards me, I'm usually going to have the back of the bull float up. So I'm going to twist, have it up and pull back. When I want to go back in, I don't want to accidentally dig in. So I'm going to turn it to either have it flat, or I may even have it up a little. Set it down, turn, and slowly pull backwards. So that's basically how you're going to use a bull float. So if you want a really good bull float system that's going to last you years and years, get something like this Marshalltown bull float with the aluminum head and the all aluminum type poles that are going to last you forever. You just clean it up and just keep on using it. So I hope this helps, and we will see you guys on the next one.